We're here to show you the removal of a live radiator. Some of the things that we're going to need are a drip tray, a clean rag, a spanner, something to hold against you when you're taking it off, and an airbag key. In this case, what we've got is we've got a radiator with no drain off underneath it. Ordinarily, what you want is a drain off at a low level, which is great for taking a radiator off because you can drain the system. In this case, there isn't one, so by using a drip tray in this method, we're going to show you how to remove a radiator successfully. So what we're going to do first is isolate the radiator from the rest of the circuit. To do this, we need to turn off both valves at either side of the radiator. The TRV head needs to be removed and a decorator's cap installed. And at the other end, with a spanner, we'll tighten that down until that's isolated that valve. And then it's ready to be removed. Using the radiator key, what we'll do is we'll open the vent, drain a little bit of water out, which will take the pressure out of the radiator that's remaining once we've isolated it. Okay, so what we've done is we've taken the pressure out of the radiator once we've isolated it. It's not a lot of water, as you can see. What we're going to do now is we're going to move across, hold against ourselves with another tool, using the spanner, remove the nuts. But once we've got down to this corner, we'll start at this side and we'll empty the rest of the water into this drip tray. As you can see, what we've done is we've fully drained the radiator now. The valves are popped off, ready to safely lift and remove the radiator. Okay, so once all the work's been done and the radiator is ready to go back on, you simply reverse that process, introduce the radiator back onto the brackets, add the valves onto the ends and tighten them in, make sure you hold against yourself. Once that's nice and tight and you're happy with that, open the valves, use the bleed key and the clean rag against the wall to prevent any splashing, bleed the radiator until it's full and that's then introduced back onto the circuit. Be sure on a sealed system to check your pressure. Other than that, you should be good to go.